He loves you. And He cares so much about you. And when we talk about Abba, we can go to the next slide now. Thank you. Abba, Father. Jesus came to reveal God to us in that He called Him Father. He could have called Him Sir. Could have called Him my God, my Lord. All of these terms we hear in the Bible. But He called Him Abba. He called Him my daddy. Now we're going to talk about this term a little bit later. This word Abba. That is a very intimate term to speak to your dad or to your Father in heaven. Now there's some facts about the Father being called Father, or God being called Father. If we look at the Old Testament and the New Testament, for instance, God is called Father over 165 times in the Gospels alone. 165 times in the Gospels, we are hearing the name Father, God being referred to. And more than 250 times throughout the entire New Testament. That shows us that God is relating to us as a father, not as a distant manager, not as someone that comes every now and then to discipline you or to correct you when you're doing something wrong. You see, He's referred to as Father over 250 times in the New Testament, reflecting a massive shift of intimacy compared to the 15 times only in the Old Testament.